And hello there, Gundam fans and folks. This is Mixer Wars, and welcome to an episode of Mixer Wars Unboxing. So right now, what we have here is the latest from P Bandai for the Witch from Mercury line in the HG. We have Gundam Lfrith Pre Production model. Yes, this is the Gundam that Aries' father piloted near the end of the prologue. And as in true the Bandai version, we can see that the box art is in monocolor blue. We see two of the Lfrith pre-production in the box art here. Off to the side, we just see Gundam Lfrith here. On the other side, Gundam Lfrith front and back, and some information. Now let's see and take a look what's inside the box. So in the first bag, we can see two sprues, sticker sheets, one multicolored and one in the bluish gray color. Second bag contains two sprues, all black and the bluish gray color. Third bag, we see two sprues of the same bluish gray color and a multicolored sprue. And of course, we have the instruction manual, where it is in the same other Lfrith P band as it is colored. And of course, it tells you what screws you need for the different parts. Same in the main line. Okay, now let's take a look individually at the screws. So first off, we have the A screw here, which is multicolored. We have some white, some green, clear black smoky color, and clear blue for the effects. Pretty small for an A screw, but some parts of the Lfrith I can see here. Yeah. So I guess this is for the A screw. The B screw is all black. I think this has more parts from the Fleet, only colored black. Yeah. We also have a C, which is in the bluish gray color here. Parts for the armor, probably still some parts from the fleet. We also have a D, some more sort of same color, more parts for the armor. And this is, I think, a new sprue for this kit. Same color, but new parts for the Lfrith pre-production. There's a F sprue, F1 I mean, and this is the F2 sprue, which is with the same color and just some parts replicated right around here. Of course, we have two backpacks from the model. And another new sprue, which is the G sprue, which is all black. We have some white, we have some yellow. So new parts for the free pre-production model kit. And of course, we have the sticker sheet here, or in the same with other fleets, they have the permit score indicator, whether it's on or it's off, all black here. Same with the other kits. And there you have it, kind of fancy folks. That's what's inside the box of the P Banda Lfrith Pre-Production. This Japanese show, however, gave a new meaning to the song Happy Birthday. Now, what other Japanese song or shows that gave a new meaning to the Happy Birthday? Can you think of one? And this is Mr. saying, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, leaving a like, viewing other videos, sharing the videos, and until next time. See you and thank you.